In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your lovable.dev website in this comprehensive 2025 guide. The goal here is not only to track your website's performance, but also to gain valuable insights into your audience, which can help you make informed decisions to improve your site and engage more effectively with your visitors. So let's get started. First, navigate to your project on the lovable.dev website. Once you're there, ensure that your project is already published. If it's not published, take a moment to do so now, as this is crucial for integrating Google Analytics properly. Next, what you'll need to do is copy the link of your published project. This link will be essential as we proceed to set up the analytics. Our next stop is the Google Analytics homepage. Log into your account, or if you haven't created one yet, now is a good time to set one up. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Admin tab. This section is where all your settings and management features reside. Within the Admin panel, look for Property Settings first. Under this tab, you'll find the option for data collection and modification. Now click on Data Streams. Here, you'll want to select Web, which is the platform your lovable.dev site operates on. In the provided box, paste the link to your published website. However, make sure to remove the https portion of the link. This slight adjustment is necessary for the system to recognize your website correctly. Now you'll need to assign a stream name to this setup for easy identification later. Once you've done that, hit Create and Continue. This action will create your data stream. After creation, click on your newly formed data stream. Within this section, locate your measurement ID. This ID is integral to linking your website with Google Analytics, so you'll want to note it down carefully. With the measurement ID in hand, return to your lovable.dev project. Look for the chat box situated in the lower left corner of the screen. In this chat box, type in, "Add Google Analytics to this page, here's my measurement ID," and then paste the ID you copied. After you've sent this instruction, it's a simple matter of patience, waiting for Google Analytics to be successfully added to your page. Once that is in process, verify by copying your published website link again. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the link to navigate to your live site. Head back to Google Analytics and, if everything has been set up correctly, you should already see an active user displayed on your dashboard. This user is actually you browsing the site. Back at lovable.dev, click on the top left corner of the interface and look for Settings. Within the Settings menu, select Analytics. And there you have it. Your Lovable project is now integrated with Google Analytics, allowing you to access all the data you need to optimize your website's performance. Congratulations on setting this up. You're now all set to gain deeper insights into your audience.